in our journey, right? What is special tomorrow? All faces are glowing like sun god, right? Distinguished personalities of Johnson Global School, main mentors of my institution, Rajkumar sir, Sridhar Reddy garu and all officials, and my lovable boys and girls. Anyway, almost all we are very near to finish the first month. The time is moving very fast, you know. Time and tide waits for none. That's the reason almost all 1 month absolutely skipped away from our academic calendar. But let us question ourselves what we have done, which duty was finished successfully by you. Really, it's somewhat a disappointment. Still, students are struggling to adjust, to come onto the track of line. It's not a good sign. I hope tomorrow is a very valuable day. Rather than taking leisure, rest, enjoyment, I request you all, not order. I request all my girl children as well as boys. Whatever the work is there with you, might be assignment, might be homework, or maybe any pending. Please, once you cross check, once you glance that room, morning hours, you better to finish that work, and Monday onwards, let us go and continue in beautiful manner now. It's very important. Almost all, you are all senior citizens of JGHS. Reason we are having remaining 2 sectors are there. They are both, all are very active. They are performing their duty at evening time improperly, except high school children. Now and then I cross check, but I don't want to see such kind of disturbance from your side from Monday onwards. Will you promise me or not? It's required. Yeah. You are, for example, if anybody asks you who is your best friend, but I want to say my best friend is discipline. My best friend is discipline. Life is grown when it is disciplined. That's very important one. I request you, let us go and have a relation with friendship with the discipline. It always make you to stand on the pinnacle of success. Such kind of a power God has given to that particular word and weapon. Yes, absolutely, no doubt at all. Live example, right now, who is our President of India? Loudly. Draupadi Murmu. Do you have any information about that particular stunning women personality? Do you have any proper information, profile, biography of Draupadi Murmu garu? A tribal woman, meek family, she has started her journey. A tribal woman, girl, child, very early age, she has lost her beloved husband. Even sons also. Whatever the God has given to her, the main pillars were simply passed away from her life. Started her journey as a clerk. What a great position God has given to Draupadi Murmu garu. First citizen of Bharat Mata. Out of 140 crores of citizens, she stood first citizen because of her meticulous discipline. Whatever the important things are there in the dictionary of life, might be commitment, dedication, benevolency, amicability, honesty, modesty, whatever the way the word is going to give you the best, everything will be surrendered.